Hey there, here are a few common questions and mistakes to avoid when you use Starlite Smile's red light, blue light, light. First, this is a universal size mouth tray, but of course, everyone's mouth is very different. So don't worry if the trays don't cover your back teeth. The light will definitely flood the whole mouth and penetrate into all gum areas, even if the trays are not directly over that area. Next, remember these are LEDs and not lasers, but the lights are really bright, so you want to use them with caution. So always put the light tray into your mouth before plugging it in. And do not forget to protect your children and animals from the lights, so do not leave the lights on when not in your mouth. Always check with your dentist first, but what we can tell you is that our thousands of customers tell us that they have great results doing 20 to 30 minute sessions, even 2 to 3 sessions per day. Try 10 minutes for your first session, and if you don't have any issues or sensitivity, then you can go longer the next time. This light doesn't have a timer, so just be sure to set your alarm on your phone. A common mistake to avoid is getting the cord wet when cleaning. Always hold the trays by the cord facing down like so. Just use your fingers to rinse them with a little drop of soap and water, then thoroughly dry before storing in your mesh bag. I like to store mine in an uncovered dish. The mesh bag is machine washable, so make sure you keep it clean, and of course, never wash the mesh bag with your light tray in it. The soap and water rinse is all you really need, but you could also wipe your trays down with a Q-tip and a little 71% isopropyl alcohol for extra sterilizing. Be sure you do not put the mouth tray into your mouth right after wiping because the alcohol might burn. As always, if you have any problems or questions, please reach out to us and just let us know. We'll take excellent care of you with a replacement or a refund if needed, and we are always happy to answer questions. So let us know if you need anything.